the older you get, the more you realize common sense isn't so common, like a lot of people say. It definitely isn't a trait that everybody is, shit. It's definitely not a trait that everybody was born with. And I feel like I'm one of the people that skipped over. You know? You guys gonna talk shit about somebody else? No, I'm talking shit about me. Hey y'all, it's me again, and I'm just showing y'all this install I did with this very, very, very pretty HD like, but I don't think it's really HD lace bob highlight wig. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot going on, but it's real cute. And I honestly did wear this before. I just didn't have time to make a video, so don't just think I'm saying it's cute because you know what I'm saying? For other reasons. I genuinely like this wig. And you would too, because if you see how natural it is and how it just give like scalp, like it's not even glued in right here. But I just sprayed the lace with my even lace tint dark brown. You already know how that goes. Don't mind the edges. It's a little glue still caked up on around there, but I didn't think it was a point of cleaning it all the way off if I'm just gonna add more glue. So yeah, and I burned my forehead with the hot comb right there. So always something with the forehead, huh? But yeah, that's what it is. So after I only did one layer. So basically anybody that wants to learn how to do wigs, or this is their first time watching a video and they want to learn more, basically you add how many layers you want in order for, that's not right. What I was about to say was so not right. Basically, how many layers you add, the amount of layers you add determines how long the install is going to last without lifting. So I only did one layer because I knew I'm not going to have this on for a long time. So, and it's hard to take off when you do multiple layers just to take it off a couple of days later. I switched my hairstyles every 2 to 3 days. So I was just like, let me just do one layer. And I already low-key had a little bit of glue still left. So it was tacky enough, you know what I'm saying? So you want to blow dry that layer until it is 50%, 75% clear. And it was already clearing up before I even started blow drying it. So that's why I was so short this time. But I'm out of the frame, but you just want to press the lace into the glue kind of firmly. You can kind of see me doing it now, like with the end of the comb and just combing the hair back. You want to just keep on doing that until it's laid, everything is laid, and there's no hair. I like to go backwards because I don't want any hair to be stuck on my forehead until I actually want to, like, do my edges, if that makes sense. But if you just brush it or comb it the other way, it might be hair stuck on your forehead and spots where it's, like, a little bit of glue peeking outside the lace. And it just makes everything harder. So, yeah. Now I'm just about to put on the scarf and just have everything, like, melt. But I took like a couple of the baby hairs out, so it won't be so hard to like lay since it's already, I don't know. Okay, so I took a little break because I felt like I was talking too much, but now I'm just straightening my hair and I'm just flipping the ends up as I straighten it. This wig wasn't hard to straighten, so I really just skipped that for the most part. But now you just see me hot combing it and just making it flat. A hot comb and a wax stick is essential for having like a natural like install. I've never seen anybody install a wig that didn't use that and it still looked natural or good. I don't know, but y'all want to get that at the end of the day. Get a hot comb, get a wax stick. I don't know what's up with the hot combs nowadays, but they be breaking left and right. So I suggest you just get a cheaper looking one because those are the ones that are normally like sturdy and actually get real hot and don't break in 2 weeks. But yeah, and I'm just hot combing my edges down and cutting them the way I want them to be or like them to be. And yeah, y'all see that? It's giving natural, giving the girls something. Now I'm just curling my baby hairs. It's just easier for me to lay, especially now that I really only truly use mousse when I do lay my edges instead of like adding edge control. Curling it first just makes it way, way, way easier. You can use some like got-to-be spray that also doesn't like make the lace look bad, but just using edge control, it's just gonna get caught up in the lace, y'all. Remember, it's not really y'all's hair, and even real edge control gets cakey if you just keep on applying it and not like taking it off. So just try your best not to use edge control. Yeah, if you're making it greasy, makes the lace slip back prematurely, just use mousse. Get comfortable with using mousse. Okay, y'all, so I'm basically almost done. It's in the next few couple parts, it's just me perfecting basically a already finished look. It's basically done. So I'm just gonna give y'all details about the hair. The hair I'm wearing is a 12-inch, 180% density highlight bob. If you are interested in looking at this hair or getting this hair, the description will be down below. After this video, I will do more natural hair videos. Well, I feel like I said this after I do like a lot of wig videos. I feel like I owe that to y'all because I know that's what y'all really want. But yeah, y'all see how natural this look. But yeah, after this video, I'll be dropping 2 natural hair videos, but it's with my hair straightened. I won't probably do actual natural hair videos until mid-April, late April. But I just want to take this time to say I really appreciate y'all and all the support and y'all going through the journey with me. Y'all are real ones, for real. But yeah, I'm just going to be quiet for the rest of the video. And yes, the link is down below again if y'all are interested in getting this unit.